Create templates for your 3PL with Data Exporter. If you're using a third-party logistics, also known as 3PL, save time by creating customizable templates in Data Exporter under Integrations. This is where to view your already created templates, but let's create a new one. Click Add Template. We'll enter the name for this template and choose the data source from the drop-down menu. At the moment, only the warehouse transfer option is unavailable, but we are working on expanding our options. Select the export format from the drop-down menu and enter the default email address. For example, this can be the email address for your 3PL you use. You can also include the email subject and default email message to send. Scrolling down, you will need to adjust the filters according to your needs. You can easily mirror your 3PL template by selecting the fields to be exported and arranging its order according to your preferences. Once you're happy with your filters and fields, click Save. Now that your template for Data Exporter is ready, select the templates you want to use, adjust the filters accordingly, and click Export. This might take a while depending on how much data you might have, but once it's ready, you can click on the task icon and download your file. If you prefer, you can send this file directly to the email you have entered as default email by clicking on the Email button. Be sure to monitor the email log to keep track of all sent emails.